Hello friends, my name is Shuja. Welcome to my channel Let's Know Everything. Friends, this is my third video of my GK question answer series. In this video, I have given top 50 multiple choice GK question answer from India. Very important for all competitive exams. And if you are preparing for any competitive job exam, then you must watch this video. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question. Bihu is the folk dance of which state? Right answer, Assam. Question number 2. Which is the fastest train in India? Right answer, Vande Bharat Express. Average speed is 160 km per hour and maximum speed is 180 km per hour. Question number 3. Which language is mostly spoken in India? Right answer option B, Hindi. More than 52 crore people speak in Hindi in India. Question number 4. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Right answer, Holi. Question number 5. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Right answer, Diwali. Diwali is also known as Deepavali, which is a Sanskrit word. Deepavali meaning rows of lighted lamps. Question number 6. Which is the largest bank of India? Right answer, State Bank of India. According to assets and branches, the State Bank of India, SBI, is the largest bank in India. SBI has total 22,542 branches and 63,580 ATMs. Question number 7. What was the old name of State Bank of India? Right answer, Imperial Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India, IBI, was renamed as the State Bank of India, SBI, on 30 April in 1955. Question number 8. Who is the first citizen of India? Right answer, President. And for your kind information, Vice President is the second citizen of India and Prime Minister is the third citizen of India. Question number 9. The highest mountain peak in India is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is 28,169 feet tall above sea level. It is also the third highest mountain peak in the world after Mount Everest and K2. Kanchenjunga is located in the eastern Himalayas on the border between Sikkim and Nepal. Next question. Question number 10. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Right answer, Kerala. Kerala is known as the Spice Garden of India because of its wide variety of spices like pepper, vanilla, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ginger and turmeric. Question number 11. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Right answer, Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital and the largest city of Rajasthan. Jaipur is also known as the Paris of India. Remember it. Next question. Question number 12. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Right answer, river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphin is also known as Susu. Question number 13. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Right answer, elephant. The government of India declared the elephant as the national heritage animal of India in 2010. Question number 14. Gir National Park of Gujarat is famous for lion. Question number 15. Which is the smallest state of India by area? Right answer, Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India by area. It covers 3,702 square kilometers in area. It is located on the southwest coast of India. Goa is known as the paradise in a pocket because of its small size and beautiful scenery. And for your kind information, Rajasthan is the biggest state of India by area with 342,239 square kilometers. Question number 16. Which is the smallest state of India by population? Right answer, Sikkim. According to 2024, the current population of Sikkim is around 607,688. And Uttar Pradesh is the biggest state of India by population with 24.14 crores people. Question number 17. Which is the biggest city of India by area? Right answer option A, Delhi. Delhi is 1,483 square kilometers by area. Question number 18. Which is the biggest city of India by population? The answer to this question will also be Delhi. According to July 2024, Delhi is the most populated city in India. More than 33 million people live in this city. Question number 19. Which is the biggest district of India by area? Right answer, Kutch. Kutch is a district of Gujarat. It covers 45,674 square kilometers in area. And one more important point, Kutch is bigger than Switzerland in terms of area. Next question. Question number 20. Which is the smallest district of India by area? Right answer, Mahe. Mahe is a district in the Union Territory of Puducherry. In terms of land area, it is very small. Mahe is about 8.69 square kilometers in area. Total population of Mahe is just about 42,000. Question number 21. What was the old name of Mumbai? Very important. Right answer, Bombay. Bombay was renamed as Mumbai in 1995. And for your kind information, Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra and also the financial capital of India. Question number 22. When did India win the first Cricket World Cup? Right answer, 1983. On 25th June in 1983, India lifted their first ever Cricket World Cup title, defeating West Indies in the final at the Lord's Cricket Ground in one-day international cricket. During that time, Kapil Dev was the captain of Indian cricket team. Question number 23. Which is the longest national highway of India? Right answer, NH44. NH means National Highway. National Highway 44, NH44, is the longest national highway in India, spanning 3,745 kilometers from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. And friends, don't forget to remember it, NH44 was previously known as NH7. Question number 24. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Right answer, Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie is known as the father of Indian Railways because he convinced the British to introduce the railways in India through his famous Railway Minutes of 1853. Therefore, he is regarded as the father of Indian Railways. And friends, also remember it, Lord Dalhousie served as the Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856. Next question. Question number 25. Who is known as the Metro Man of India? Right answer, E. Sridharan. E. Sridharan earned this title Metro Man of India for changing the face of public transport in India by his leadership in building Konkan Railway and the Delhi Metro. And he has been honored with Padma Vibhushan Award. Question number 26. Who is known as the Milkman of India? Right answer, option C, Varghese Kurian. Dr. Varghese Kurian is known as the Milkman of India because of his contributions to India's dairy industry and making it the world's largest milk producer. He also played a major role in the establishment and success of Amul brand. He is famous for his Operation Flood, which is known as the world's largest agricultural program. And friends, also remember it, Varghese Kurian is also known as the father of the White Revolution in India. Next question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Right answer, Indira Gandhi. Yes friends, Srimati Indira Gandhi is the first and only woman Prime Minister of India. She served as the Prime Minister of India for the 2 terms, from 1966 to 1977 and after that 1980 to 1984. And friends, one more information, Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of independent India from 1947 to 1964. Question number 28. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Right answer, Sucheta Kripalani. Sucheta Kripalani served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1963 to 1967. Question number 29. Who was the first woman Governor of India? Right answer, Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu served as the Governor of Uttar Pradesh from 1947 to 1949. Question number 30. Who was the first woman President of India? Right answer, option C, Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. Question number 31. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? Right answer, Kiran Bedi. Yes friends, Kiran Bedi was India's first woman IPS officer. She became IPS in 1972. And for your kind information, full form of IPS is Indian Police Service. Question number 32. What is the biggest post of Indian Police? Right answer, DGP. Full form, Director General of Police. Question number 33. who was the first woman astronaut of India? Right answer, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian-born American astronaut. She was the first woman of Indian origin to fly to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997. Question number 34. Who was the first woman judge of Indian Supreme Court? Right answer, Fatima Bibi. Justice M. Fatima Bibi was the first woman to serve as a judge of Indian Supreme Court. She takes oath as the judge of Indian Supreme Court on 6 October in 1989. Fatima Bibi was also the first woman judge in Asian countries, as well as the first Muslim woman to serve on the higher judiciary. Question number 35. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of a state high court? Right answer, Leela Seth. Leela Seth was the first woman Chief Justice of a state high court in India. She became the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court in 1991. She was also the first woman judge of the Delhi High Court. Who designed the national flag of India? Right answer, Pingali Venkaiah. The national flag of India was designed by Pingali Venkaiah in 1921 with an aspect ratio of 3:2. It was a tricolor flag with saffron, white and green, with the Ashok Chakra at the center. Question number 37. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Right answer, option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution because he played a key role in its creation and he chaired the drafting committee that drafted it. Because of it, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also considered as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. Question number 38. Very important question. Who is known as the father of the nation? Right answer will be option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the first to call Gandhiji the father of the nation. Question number 39. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Right answer, Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari won a bronze medal in the 54 kg weightlifting event at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. Question number 40. Which is the India's highest sports award? Right answer, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. And friends, for your kind information, in present, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is officially renamed as the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. Remember it is very important point. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting honor of the Republic of India. The award is named after Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, who served as the Prime Minister of India from 1984 to 1989. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was started to give from 1991 to 1992. Chess Grandmaster Viswanathan Anand was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. I hope all the points have been clear to you. Next question. Question number 41. On which day National Education Day is celebrated? Right answer, 11 November. From 2008, every year on 11 November, National Education Day was started to celebrate in India. Question number 42. What was the full form of EVM? Right answer, electronic voting machine. Next question. Question number 43. India is located in which continent? Right answer, Asia. India is exactly located in South Asia region. Question number 44. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Right answer, Dadasaheb Phalke. Dadasaheb Phalke is considered as the father of Indian cinema because he was a pioneer in the Indian film industry and made the country's first full-length feature film Raja Harishchandra, which was released in 1913. Question number 45. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Nobel Prize? Right answer, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work with the Missionaries of Charity. And friends, remember it, Mother Teresa was originally from Albania. She moved to India and dedicated her life to serving the poor and sick people. Question number 46. Who is the first sports person to receive Bharat Ratna? Right answer, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is the first sports person who received India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 2014. And friends, don't forget to remember it, Sachin Tendulkar was also the youngest person to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. Question number 47. Which is the longest dam in India? Right answer, Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. It is 25.79 kilometers long. Hirakud Dam is located in the state of Odisha. This dam is built on the Mahanadi River. Question number 48. Which is the highest dam in India? Right answer, Tahiri Dam. Tahiri Dam is the highest dam in India. It is 260.5 meters tall. It is also the second tallest dam in Asia and the 8th tallest in the world. Tahiri Dam is located in the state of Uttarakhand. The dam is built on the Bhagirathi River. Which is the tallest statue in India as well as in the world? Right answer, Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in India and also in the world. It is located near the Narmada Dam in the state of Gujarat. The Statue of Unity is 182 meters, 597 feet in height, and this statue is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Last and final question, question number 50. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Right answer, Arshad Mohani. The slogan Inqilab Zindabad was first created by Maulana Arshad Mohani in 1921. He is an Urdu poet and Indian freedom fighter. But friends, remember it, Inqilab Zindabad slogan became popular only because of Bhagat Singh. He first raised the slogan Inqilab Zindabad in April 1929 at the Delhi High Court after bombing the Central Assembly in Delhi. And the meaning of this slogan Inqilab Zindabad is Long Live the Revolution. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel to encourage me. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of my all latest new videos. Once again, thank you so much for being with me and watching this video.